Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the previous class I discussed about the addition polymer and some condensation polymer example. Now the next condensation polymer is bakelite. It is a phenol formaldehyde resin. So these two are monomers. This is a polymer name. So here poly word not there, therefore we cannot recognize the monomer. Therefore compulsory you have to remember these are the monomer phenol formaldehyde. Now this is a phenol, this is formaldehyde, complete structure, otherwise you can write like this also, anyone you can write, no problem. This reaction takes place in acidic medium or basic medium. This question asked in the JEE mains, because this question asked like this. Phenol formaldehyde combined to form bakelite in acidic medium or basic medium or both or none, like this question asked. So this is very important. Now see CH2, this CH2 is there, this hydrogen and this O convert to CH2OH, CH2OH. This orthohydrogen may be involved, otherwise this parahydrogen may be involved, otherwise all ortho position, para position hydrogen may be involved in this formation of the first intermediate. These are which one? Intermediate molecule. Intermediate, these are, anyone may form. Okay. Now first one I want to take here, that is phenol CH2OH. This is N time. This is N time. This is also same continuation, acidic medium or basic medium catalyzer. Now like this, how many molecules are there? Number of. So for your understanding purpose I want to show here, this is one molecule OH CH2OH. We can write bond line notation also. This is nothing but CH2OH. Another molecule like this, OH CH2OH. Like this, how many molecules I took here now? 2. So here which is there? Hydrogen. This is lost like water molecule. Then minus N moles of H2. Then what will be formed here? This as it is, right? OH. This is CH2. OH. This is also which one? CH2. This OH with the next molecule H, water molecule, last. Therefore this can be represented like this. Again this molecule OH, next molecule OH, another next molecule H, water molecule last. Like this, the chain will be continuously takes place. Then here also, like, then one molecule I want to take here, taken N. Clear? So whatever we took here, that is only taken N. This is which one? Linear intermediate. This is also intermediate. This is not the bakelite. This is called Novalac. This is called Novalac. Used in paints. This is which one? Linear polymer. Novalac is a linear polymer. Okay. This is also not a bakelite. This is just one of the intermediate, Novalac. Clear? How it is formed I explain here. If you want that also note down. Now we have to draw what do you call bakelite. This is somewhat bigger structure, therefore I have to remove this. Bakelite is example for which one? Cross-linked polymer. In classification already I told you that. Which type of, based on the structure, one is linear polymer, another is branched polymer, another is cross-linked or network polymer, another is thermosetting polymer also. Example, this bakelite and urea formaldehyde resin melamines are there. So you have to remember this example. Now this which one? Linear. Now carefully observe. Now I am drawing the bakelite structure. Which one? Bakelite structure. OH, OH, like this. Here also same pattern. This is which one? Novalac. Now here also same way bond form, because here H, OH, for your understanding, but this is, don't draw this part, again I will remove and write. This is which one? CH2O. CH2O is which one? Formaldehyde. This H and this H, like this, which is loss? Water molecule loss. Which is left? CH2. Now I am removing this OH2, sorry, not OH, H2O. Then which is left? CH2. CH2. Here also OH will be there. OH. Now here OH up is there, here down. You have to write reverse. Next, here what is there? CH2. It means here H, here H, here CH. If you want, I will show here. This is H. This is which one? CH2O. Then which is lost? Water molecule. Which is left? CH2. Therefore, I want to remove this, and whatever the left one only write, that is called CH2. Similarly, OH, here also same way method. Here also next. Here also next. Now here we know CH2 left. Same way CH2. Same way CH2. Now it is look like volleyball net. Then it is called cross-linked polymer. This is one linear polymer, this is one linear polymer, in between that bond is there. Therefore, this is look like the network or cross-linked polymer. This will be continuously bond form. Then as long as you are interested, you can write here, up to here also write, up to here also, one more molecule also, you can create, no problem. So this is the bakelite structure, this is a Novalac. This Novalac is a linear polymer. Bakelite is a cross-linked polymer. So bakelite is a homopolymer or copolymer? Which one? Copolymer. Because what are there here? Phenol is there, formaldehyde is there. So note down, bakelite is a copolymer. Bakelite is a copolymer. In examination, they will not ask draw the bakelite structure. So it is somewhat difficult. They will not ask. I hope that this is bakelite polymer. This is which one? Copolymer. And this is which one? Cross-linked or network polymer. Cross-linked or network polymer, and also thermosetting polymer. Already these are examples I given previously. So next one, uses. First, this is one of the infusible solid substance. This is bakelite is infusible solid substance. And next, Uses is used in making combs, computer disk, phonograph records, handles of various utensils, and electrical switches. These are the uses of bakelite. You have to remember this all uses. Okay. Next, after bakelite, we have melamine. What is the number? Nylon 6 is 1, nylon 6 2, and terylene 3. This is a bakelite 4. Then this is 5. Melamine polymer. Melamine polymer. So melamine structures first you should know that. How many nitrogens are there? 3 nitrogens are there. 3 carbons are there. 1, 2, 3. Here NH2, NH2, NH2. This is called melamine. Melamine polymer different. Melamine, this is monomer. Okay. Add polymer word for polymer. Okay. So this is melamine. And this is same react with the formaldehyde. This is react with the formaldehyde. Then double bond, double bond, double bond, NH2, NH2, here NH and here oxygen, then it is lost as a water molecule later, but first this is make as a CH2OH. See, actually this can be represented as how? HC double bond OH. Yes sir? This O converted into single bond when pi bond shifted to here. Okay. This O and here how many hydrogens are there? 2. 1 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. Carefully observe. Nitrogen, hydrogen, one of the hydrogen added to this oxygen. Then this is CH2O, one of the hydrogen. This is converted into OH. Okay, this is intermediate. This is not the melamine polymer. Intermediate. Same like the phenol formaldehyde resin type. This is intermediate. Then on polymerization, then it will be formed double bond, double bond, double bond. Here, see, NH, NH, CH2, CH2. This is OH. Like this is taken as how many time? N time. Okay. So here also this is N time taken, mean here N time form. This is OH. Same molecule, left side what is there? H. How many hydrogens are there? 2. 1 hydrogen and OH. loss as a water molecule, therefore minus H2. Clear? If you not understanding what you have to do, same molecule right here. If you write same molecule mean this is right side, this is left side. So for this CH2OH is there and this is H is there. OH and H water molecule loss. Okay. Same thing here. NH down also. Here what is there? See, H is there. Next molecule what will be there? CH2OH. So OH and H water molecule loss. Here what is there? NH. Next molecule here what will be there? CH2OH. So here OH, here H water molecule loss. Here OH and next molecule H water molecule loss. Like this, this is bond, bond, totally taken N. Actually we have to write like this mean again time taking process. Big molecule will come. Therefore, in mind only you have to imagine and write. So immediately this not comes in your practice. That's why 2-3 times you have to practice this structure. Okay. For competitive exam purpose, what they will ask in this melamine. This is melamine polymer. This is melamine polymer. This is which one? Melamine monomer. So this is now in this melamine monomer, carbon nitrogen ratio. One time this question is asked, carbon nitrogen ratio. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3. How many nitrogens are there? Carbon nitrogen ratio. This is 3. This is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then how much this is? 1:2 ratio is there. But like this we will not think for competitive exam. So they will make for us to confuse from this compound only. We will remember like this formula or melamine only, monomer name only. If you not remember the structure, then like this question also they will ask. Okay. So next, what is the use? Use for this is unbreakable crockery. I think this is manufacture of unbreakable crockery. Note down. Manufacture of unbreakable crockeries. Okay. So total fifth complete. Last 2-3 are there I think. So this is whatever I discussed now, phenol, bakelite, melamine, these are given inside the textbook. In the end of the chapter, one table is there. In the 3 condensation polymers are there. Once you check in your textbook, 2 or 3 are there. In the third one is bakelite is already we discussed. So only 2. One is urea formaldehyde resin. Another is glyptol. So next condensation polymer is urea formaldehyde resin. So melamine also copolymer. Keep in mind, melamine also copolymer. Urea formaldehyde. 2 names are appearing. Mean this is also which one? Copolymer. Note down. This is copolymer. Condensation polymer. This is so urea formula. You maybe know that. Yes or no? NH2C double bond O NH2. This is what you call urea. Formaldehyde formula you know that. HC double bond OH. On polymerization, what you will get? See, first right side I will explain. H, why H mean one H is lost for water molecule. What is left? NH, C double bond O, NH. Here one H, HO, next molecule also urea. Urea formaldehyde, urea formaldehyde, alternate. So this side H is there, mean next molecule what is there here? H. Got the point? If you want I will write here NH, H, C double bond O, NH2. Clear? So this H, O, H. Urea, formaldehyde, urea, formaldehyde, urea, formaldehyde, alternate. Therefore, this molecule H loss for water, HOH. Then which is left here? NH, C double bond O, NH. Then again which is left here? CH2. Clear? Then here bond taken. So this is only for your understanding purpose. I wrote this is, I want to remove this. So this is which one? Formaldehyde. Actually these are somewhat difficult to draw their polymer structure, therefore which is difficult that you have to practice. This is a polymer. Which polymer? Urea formaldehyde resin polymer. Then uses. For this uses is making for laminated sheets. And unbreakable cups. Making in laminated sheets and unbreakable cups. Next one, 7th, glyptol. This is asked also many times, what is the monomer of glyptol? So glyptol. I think AL is there, OL is the one you check, and maybe AL is there. So in your textbook, once you check that, glyptol means OL is there or AL is there. So this is glyptol. I think AL maybe is there. So it's this is a polymer. This is a polymer. Which polymer this is? Copolymer. This is copolymer. Then here, and I forgot to write here, this is N, this is N. Then only it is taken N. Then here also N, this is CH2, CH2, OH. What is the name of this one? In the previous class somewhere I given this is ethylene glycol, common name. Ethane 1,2-diol is a IUPAC name. In pterylene maybe it is given as a monomer. Then next one is this is carbon, OH, C double bond OH. So what is the difference is there in pterylene and this glyptol? Once you check in your notebook, here ethylene glycol is there also ethylene glycol is there. Terphthalic acid is there. It means 1,4 position COH is there. Here 1,2 position is there. So this is phthalic acid, P silent. Otherwise IUPAC name benzene 1,2-dioic acid. There 1,4-dioic acid is there. So already I told you that here also ester form, but water molecule loss here minus H2O. Here also write, you can write NH2O minus NH2 because water molecule loss. Now in this polymerization, water molecule loss, but OHH or HOH, that already I told you in the previous class. In ester formation, H loss from alcohol, OH loss from carboxylic acid. That is a condition you will learn in the alcohol chapter or carboxylic acid chapter. So this is H, here OH, but don't cut the OH here, only H. From alcohol H, from carboxylic acid OH, that is the condition. Same thing here, OH last mean here also which is last? OH. Here H last mean here which is last? H. Clear this is? So whatever left now, that is only right now. O, CH2, CH2, O, C double bond O, C double bond O, like this. Taken En. This is glyptol. Uses. Used in paints and lacquers. These are the uses. With this, all condensation polymers are completed. Now, totally from this addition polymer or condensation polymer or total polymer chapter, what type of question will come? Nylon 6,6 polymer structure, or what are the monomer of nylon 6,6? Sometimes they may ask structure of the monomer, or sometimes they may ask the names only. Many times they ask this polymer monomer, maybe bakelite monomer, maybe terylene monomer, or maybe melamine monomer, or glyptol monomer. So all monomers you have to remember. Next one, structure compulsory, and they may ask the butadiene, sorry, what do you call? Buna-S rubber, it is a copolymer or homopolymer? It means copolymer. It means two different monomers are there. Copolymer, repeating unit same mean, that is a homopolymer. So what type of questions are there? One is based on the classification question. For example, this bakelite is linear polymer or branched polymer or cross-linked polymer, means cross-linked polymer or network polymer. So based on the classification. And next one is polymer name or structure or monomer name or structure. Next one, separately there is a possible question for natural rubber. What are the points they may ask? What is the monomer of the natural rubber, and what is the polymer structure? Cis 1,4 polyisoprene or 1,4 trans, like this also they may ask question. And rubber trees are present in which countries? And then what are the mechanical property improved by using vulcanization? And one more point you note down in vulcanization, this vulcanization process given by the scientist name in vulcanization, Charles Goodyear. Scientist name only Goodyear. Charles Goodyear. Vulcanization, this process introduced by scientist name, what is that? Goodyear. That's why you may observe that some car tires are Goodyear tires are there. That is the name based on the scientist name. You may observe that Bridgestone, Michelin and Goodyear and MRF tires like this. So Goodyear also one tire is there. So that is based on the that scientist name now. So this is how the question will ask for competitive exam part, and for PU exam also same type of question will ask. And this easiest chapter, the last part is left two things. One is biodegradable polymer, another one is molecular mass calculation. Okay.